Apparently I'm just picking the best weather days. It is snowing all of a sudden pretty hard, and yeah, I was gonna try to shoot. Apparently I'm gonna be cleaning the rifle really well tonight because this is awful. We're still gonna try it. So this is what the phone scope can see right now. See that? Those are the pumpkins right there. And in the foreground you can see snow flying like crazy through the phone scope. So yeah, that's not going to be great for helping things to focus in. See if I can get it to focus through the snow. Kinda. That's better. Can almost see the pumpkins. All right, well, the sun came out and now my shooting mat is completely soaked. My rifle is soaked, and the phone scope's not faring too well either. But hey, screw it. Let's send some. All right, let's try this. I did manage to keep the optics relatively dry through all of that, and now it's really sunny. Up 13.5, left 2.5. Going for the left pumpkin first. Oh yeah, that's good. Let's dial that up a bit. Settle right into it. Good, safety's off. Going out, left pumpkin. Just over the top and to the right. To grandmother's house we go. Impact. Just a touch low. Low again. Good hit. Empty. All right. Not bad. Wanted to get on target, and then after that, we'll see what it looks like in the phone scope. Well, we're already out here. I got 4 more rounds loaded up. I was holding the low left at this distance, so I'm gonna try coming up half of an MOA, and we're gonna come left 1 more click, a 1/4 MOA. Let's send it and see what happens. Where's my target? There you are, you pretty little bastards. Okay, left pumpkin, going out. Might have been high right. Right pumpkin. Just to the right. Good hit. Oh, that one overcorrected back to the left. Well, hopefully those look cool on camera. I think we did some damage on those pumpkins. Let's go check out the pumpkins. All right, so we're down here at the targets. I know it took me 1 shot to get on target, and I might have straight up missed one other one, but I think more of those landed on target than I thought. Let's go see how many entrance holes we can find on these pumpkins after watching the blew the top off of one of them. The top literally like popped out. Oh, it's so gooey. Ugh. All right, let's count entrance holes. Oh, there's one. Maybe two there. Can't tell. Looks like I might have put another one through there. Some of these are, there's old hits here from the other day when I was doing the other video. Oh yeah, we got an exit. I think we got 3 hits here, and one of the hits looks like it pretty much went in and came out the same spot that the 350 did. Oh, and there's a hit up here, or did that just get torn? I don't know. I can't. Yeah, there's a, look at that right there. There's a, right here, there's a mark. So we got a hit. Let's check out the other pumpkin. Definitely a hit. And one right through the center, and one down low. So like 4 on that one, like 4 on the other one out of 9. So apparently I hit more of them than I thought at 600 yards. Not bad. Now I get to go spend the rest of the evening meticulously cleaning the rifle because it got soaked. Anyways, deuces.